Hello everyone, welcome to Latofa. Since many of you had requested me to make a tutorial video on how do I make my shaker cards, so today I am going to share my secret with you that how do I make this beautiful shaker cards without stitching it but with the help of fuse tool. So let's get started. Let's start with the material required to make the shaker card. So the very first thing required is obviously the fuse tool, without which you cannot make this card. Acetate sheet or OHP sheet, whatever you call it, scissor, a cutting board, a normal board where you can use your fuse tool, some of the sequences and a scale. Before starting with our project, the very first thing we need to do is we need to preheat the fuse tool. So we can heat this tool for around 8 to 10 minutes. Once it is heated up properly, then we can start with our project. I'm taking an OHP sheet here. I'll just fold this thing into half. I'm using a scale to fold the sheet. I'm using a DMC cutter over here to trim the sheet, cutting off the excess. Okay, so I have not preheated the tool over here. So by the time the tool is getting heated up, I will just brief you about this tool. The name of this tool is Fuse Tool from We Are Memory Keepers. I got this tool from Amazon.com. So you can check on the website and you can see all the buying options that you have got and get one for yourself. Now the tool is finally heated, so let's start. I'm taking a scale and fuse tool and I'm just moving it downwards, as you can see. The video is a bit fast forwarded, so you will have to do it little slowly. As you can see, it is sealed properly. I'm using a board over here because I don't want to use the fuse tool directly on the cutting mat, otherwise the things will peel off. You can see how beautifully it is sealed without the chaos of stitching. We'll repeat the same process on the other side. We will have to do it slowly. Here it is, the video is fast forwarded. You can see how it looks and it is quite intact. So now I'm taking some of the sequins, making a sequence mix, taking blue color and mixing white in it. This is my favorite part of making the shaker card. Finally adding the sequence mix in the folder, and now all I am going to do is I'm going to seal it again. You can hold the fuse tool like a pencil and just move it. And ta-da! The shaker card is made. To decorate the shaker card, I have added a thread and a die cut which I had. So these are the two shaker cards which I made with the help of fuse tool. Do let me know in the comment section below if you enjoyed watching this video.